In this video, I'll compare two really powerful research tools for any e-commerce business, Intelligence and SaleSource. If you're running any type of business like Amazon FBA or dropshipping, then you know that using the right research tools to find the best products to sell and being able to learn from your competitors can be a complete game changer for your business. If you pick the wrong tool, you're going to waste a lot of time and money. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so I can help you make the right decision. I'm going to cover important information about each of these tools one at a time, including the product discovery features, supplier database, pricing and subscription costs, automation features, and so much more. For your convenience, I've included the links to both tools in the description below so you can check them out, and let's get started. Intelligence excels in product discovery, offering users the ability to browse through over 500,000 Shopify stores and millions of different products. The tool provides extensive filtering options, including by price, sales, and newly added products, which allows users to find the top selling items, and you can find trends really efficiently as well. As far as market analysis, the platform offers comprehensive market analysis features that can equip users with data on sales trends, seasonal peaks, and consumer preferences. Intelligence also includes Chrome extensions like Ali Inspector, which helps analyze top selling products on AliExpress, providing additional market insights for dropshippers. As far as integration with other platforms, Intelligent primarily focuses on Shopify, but they also gather data that's useful for other e-commerce platforms. While they don't provide direct integration with managing listings or inventory, the insights that you gain can significantly inform your product strategies no matter what platform you're using. Now let's talk about the pricing and profitability tools that are offered. So Intelligence offers tools that allow users to see the price history of products, that provides insights into pricing strategies and potential profitability. This feature helps users make informed decisions about pricing their own products competitively. What about the user interface and ease of use? The user interface of Intelligence is straightforward and easy to navigate. It's designed to cater to both novice and experienced dropshippers. The tool's layout is intuitive, providing quick access to its wide array of features without overwhelming users. What about the customer support and community? While Intelligence provides customer support through email and an online help desk, there's also a community which can help share strategies and insights, but it's not as formal as some of the other platforms, so it's not like an amazing community or something, but still pretty good. But let's look at their pricing structure. So as you can see, they offer different pricing plans depending on how much access you need. You can pay the monthly payment option, which is about $40 a month. You can get the full access for a lifetime, which is $99. It's a one-time payment. And you can also get the yearly payment option for $79. If you're serious about using Intelligence for at least like a year or two, then for at least like 2 years or more, then getting the lifetime member option is a no-brainer. It's going to be cheaper and it's going to save you a lot of money compared to getting the yearly plan, for example, where you're spending almost as much, but it's just for 1 year. Now, what about the automation features? Well, Intelligence includes some automation features such as tracking store and product changes automatically. However, its main focus is on data analysis rather than the automation of dropshipping operations like order processing or inventory management. So what about their analytics and reporting tools? Intelligence provides detailed analytics on Shopify stores and products, including sales volume, ratings, and social media engagement. These reports are crucial for understanding product performance and optimizing sales strategies. Now, unfortunately, Intelligence at the moment does not offer mobile app availability, which can be a limitation for people that want to access this tool on their phone when they're away from their laptop. What do other people have to say? What are the reviews and user feedback for Intelligence? Well, user feedback for Intelligence is generally positive. Many people praise the comprehensive data coverage and user-friendly interface, but some users have expressed a desire for more direct integration capabilities with e-commerce platforms and some more advanced automation features as well that some competitors might offer. So overall, Intelligence is a powerful tool for dropshippers that are focused primarily entirely on leveraging detailed insights into Shopify stores and products. It has a one-time purchase offer that's comprehensive and makes it really attractive for people that are serious about scaling their dropshipping business without having large monthly recurring expenses. SaleSource excels in product discovery, offering a rich array of tools that helps users identify trending products across major e-commerce platforms, whether it's AliExpress, Shopify, and others. The platform provides deep insights into product popularity, seasonal trends, and niche-specific opportunities, enabling users to make data-driven decisions about their product lines. What about market analysis? Well, market analysis with SaleSource is robust, featuring detailed insights into product demand, competitive analysis, and pricing strategies. Users can access real-time data on how similar products perform, which is critical for adjusting marketplace strategies and to ensure that you are competitive with your pricing. But how does it integrate with other platforms? SaleSource offers excellent integration capabilities, especially if you're using Shopify. Users can seamlessly import products into their Shopify stores and synchronize inventory and pricing updates. While it primarily focuses on Shopify, you can also use the valuable data on other e-commerce platforms that you get from SaleSource. What about the supplier database? One of SaleSource's standout features is its comprehensive supplier database. The platform not only identifies suppliers but also provides detailed reviews and reliable ratings. This is super useful for dropshippers that are looking to establish secure and profitable supplier relationships. As far as the pricing and profitability tools go, you get advanced tools for calculating your potential profitability, taking into account various costs such as product price, shipping fees, and potential retail prices. This allows users to forecast their profit margins accurately and make informed pricing decisions. But what about the user interface and ease of use? The user interface of SaleSource is clean and intuitive. New users can find it easy to navigate with well-organized menus and clear, actionable insights. The platform's design is focused on enhancing user experience and making complex data accessible and understandable. So what about their customer support and community? SaleSource offers robust customer support through multiple channels, including live chat, where you can click this help button right here. You can also email them, and they also have a detailed FAQ section. Additionally, it fosters a community of users through its forums and social media groups, where people typically share their tips and best practices, so it's a pretty good community. But now let's talk about what you're probably really interested in, which is their pricing structure, so how much it costs. As you can see, you can pay monthly or yearly. If you pay yearly, you can save a substantial amount of money no matter which plan you use. And so if you look at the plans, you get the starter at $89 a month, professional at $98, advanced at $399, and elite at about $1,000 a month. If you pay yearly, all of these drop, and so you can see what's included in each one of them. I've actually included the link in the description if you want to try it out. They do have a free trial. So what about their automation features? Because that can really make or break your dropshipping business. So SaleSource integrates several automation features like auto syncing of product data, as well as alerts for price changes or new supplier reviews. These features help streamline your operations and keep the business responsive to the changes in market. What about the analytics and reporting? The analytics and reporting capabilities of SaleSource are really good. They're comprehensive. They offer detailed reports on sales trends, product performance, and market opportunities, which are crucial if you want to be strategic with your business and your growth. Now, unfortunately, they don't have a mobile app that you can use. So if you do prefer to manage your business on the go on your phone, then you can't really do that with SaleSource, but more than likely, you're probably using your laptop or computer anyway, so that shouldn't matter. But what do users of SaleSource have to say about it? What kind of reviews and feedback do they get? Well, generally the feedback for SaleSource is quite positive, especially its in-depth product and supplier insights, as well as the user interface, people like that. Some users have expressed a desire for broader platform support beyond Shopify and also a mobile app for on-the-go management, but that's something that might get added in the future. Now, as you can see, both tools have their pros and cons, and the best one for you depends on your specific needs. If you're interested in starting a new e-commerce business, or maybe you want to move your existing business to another platform, I'd recommend Shopify. It's one of the most popular e-commerce platforms in the world, and you can try it out for an entire month for just $1. For your convenience, I've included the links to all tools, platforms, and relevant resources to help you with your business. It's in the description box below. Drop any questions you have in the comment section, and I'll do my best to help you out as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.